There's a new magic phrase buzzing all over the internet: passive income with AI. And what's the promise? You sleep and the money just rolls in. But as we look towards 2026, is this dream actually realistic, or is it just a really well-marketed fantasy? Let's dive into that. Yeah, this is the picture they sell you, isn't it? You're lounging in a hammock, somewhere sunny, and your phone is just buzzing nonstop with payment notifications from Stripe. It's the perfect escape plan. But that's not exactly the whole story. The myth is that it's a set it and forget it kind of machine. But the reality? Well, that machine needs constant maintenance. The sources are pretty clear. What's often sold as passive income is really more like a living organism. The moment you stop feeding it with updates, with marketing, with optimization, it starts to wither. The income isn't truly passive. The heavy lifting is just done upfront. And this is the real kicker. The actual definition isn't no work, it's less work over time. You're investing a significant amount of effort or capital at the beginning to build a system. Then that system continues to generate income with minimal, but never zero effort. The goal isn't to stop working. The goal is to break the link between your hours worked and your income earned and build assets that work for you. But this is exactly where the story gets really, really interesting for 2026. There's a factor that is completely rewriting that traditional effort to reward ratio: artificial intelligence. AI is the catalyst that's fundamentally changing the passive income equation, making these systems more accessible and scalable than ever before. So this is where AI changes everything. It takes over the grunt work, the time-consuming, repetitive tasks like writing, designing, maybe even some coding. It dramatically lowers the financial barrier to entry that used to be a huge hurdle. But you know what the real magic is? It allows you to scale your impact without scaling your time. You can build something that reaches thousands of people without you having to work thousands of hours. And now, just before we dive into the specific strategies that you can actually use, if you're getting any value from this, wherever you happen to be listening, please don't forget to follow and share. It really, truly helps us create more of these explainers. Okay, let's put the theory aside. It's time to get practical. How can you actually use AI to start building these income streams in 2026? First up, one of the biggest trends out there: faceless content creation. We're talking about automated channels on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. You never have to get in front of a camera. The AI can generate the script, the voiceover, and now even the video itself. The potential here is just massive. Some channels are pulling in well over $10,000 a month. The key is to find a niche you're actually interested in, whether it's finance, tech, or even horror stories, and then build a consistent production system. The beauty of this model is that once a video is live, it becomes an asset that can earn you money for years. Next, we have AI-generated digital products. Think ebooks, templates, guides, or design assets. For example, an ebook about a niche hobby, or maybe a set of social media templates for small businesses. AI speeds up the creation process so dramatically that you can create a product once and then sell it an infinite number of times. And this is where digital products are so beautiful. There's no inventory, there's no shipping, which means your profit margins can be incredibly high. You can use a tool like Google's Notebook LM for deep research, Midjourney for the visuals, and then sell on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad that handle the payments for you automatically. Our third strategy is building AI-powered niche websites. You pick a specific topic, you use AI to help create a library of high-quality articles, and you generate revenue through ads and affiliate links. This is usually seen as a more stable, long-term play. Social media trends can come and go, but an article that ranks high on Google can be a steady source of traffic and income for years to come. The secret here isn't to replace quality and expertise with AI, but to use it as a powerful research and drafting assistant. So yeah, the opportunities are huge. But before you rush off to build your AI empire, we really need to talk about the rules of the road and the traps that can derail you before you even get started. Here are the 3 biggest traps. First, AI slop. That generic, soulless content that's flooding the internet. It provides no real value, and platforms are getting smarter and smarter about detecting and penalizing it. If your content looks like a robot wrote it, you're gonna have a bad time. Second is putting all of your eggs in one basket. And finally, AI hallucinations. Sources show these models can be wrong between 12 to 21% of the time. You just can't trust them blindly, especially with fact-based content. So how do you succeed? 3 golden rules. 1. Build a system. Think like an engineer, not just a content creator. 2, and this is absolutely critical, always add a human touch. That human in the loop you see on the slide, that's you. You are the editor, the fact checker, the quality control. This is your best defense against being labeled as AI slop. And 3, diversify. Make your income streams resilient. So in the end, as we head towards 2030, the biggest winners won't be the people who just hit the generate button. They'll be the conductors, the ones who can orchestrate the incredible speed of AI with the irreplaceable judgment and creativity of a human. The real question is, in that orchestra, what instrument are you going to play?